Hey everyone, welcome back to another episode of Garden State Growing. Again, my name is Eric, and today I have a fantastic video for you. What do I do with all the vegetables that I have in my garden? How could I possibly eat everything that I have? And the reality is, I don't. For the most part, I either can it, fire roasted pepper, where I took some red peppers that I had from my garden, I roasted them on the grill, and I mixed them in with the tomato sauce. So I made about 100 cans, and I gave about 75 of them away. I love to do pickling and fermenting. This is pickled watermelon rind, and of course I either eat these fresh or I will freeze them. There's no reason why you can't preserve a vegetable that you grew from your garden to last you out the entire year. I usually give a lot of it away, and I have never had any problem whatsoever because of the price of vegetables right now, whether you buy them in a supermarket or a farmer's market, or through the roof. Here is the video that I've been promising. Let's have some fun. So there you have it, 2 beautiful butternut squashes ready to go, ready to be packed up, ready to be brought into work tomorrow for some great friends. And let's see what else we can find in this garden, because I bet you we could find quite a bit right now. So I'm not going to show you everything that I pick, but when I do go to package this up and get it ready to give away, I will make sure that you're in on every single bit of that. I dare you to say it. Weeds. Holy shooby-dooby-doo-wah. I would call that pretty darn fine, pretty carrot. It looks like my friends at work are going to be getting some carrots. Maybe I should have did this as a carrot harvesting video. It is getting really late. I need to pick up the pace. Did we give them eggplants? They didn't ask for eggplants. Guess what I got? I got eggplants. Pop, pop, pop. Then everybody gets eggplants. She got greedy and she went for 2. So obviously I did have quite a few more eggplants than this, but Chancy Poo, she was real fast. Couldn't get her. I promised some Swiss chard to some people at work. Here's one. Some more yellow. Look at this one. This one's gorgeous. That is a lot of Swiss chard. This is probably going to be my last Swiss chard harvest right here. All right, guys, welcome back. I know you guys have been here, but I'm coming back. It is a new day. I have washed all my vegetables, all the things I'm going to put together for these nice care packages for my friends at work. I think it's a perfect time for a video montage. This is what I decided to do. I stopped by my local little dollar store or whatever, and they had these nice little Halloween bags, and I decided I picked this one out for a special person at work. If you have been a subscriber of me and you have gone back through my videos and understand, there's a young lady, her name is Ava. Hi, Ava. And I thought she would be a very happy recipient of one of my first pumpkins that I'm giving away. It's a tiny guy, but it's a nice guy, and it came from my garden and I grew it with love. So I'm going to put that in the bottom. Ava likes peppers, especially bell, so I included some red bells and some poblanos and some other peppers. So I'm going to include that in this care package. Ava, that is also for you because your mother said you like peppers, but raw. I'm sorry, I keep on walking all the way over there to get the stuff. I'm going to include a package of some red, some orange, and some yellow carrots. These little custom labels that I printed out. So Ava, this one is for you. Now the second bag I'm going to put together for this guy. Jay is interested in gardening, and he asks me a lot of questions a lot of times. But he's a very intelligent man, and a lot of times I feel stupid answering his questions. But anyway, so he asked me for some squash. So I went ahead and I brought him in that behemoth, like 3-foot squash. And he told me not to do it again. But I'm gonna. Because I have to. Okay, so I did give him a nice bag, and again, my wife won't let me give away the hot ones. You know, she likes them, and then I want to make hot sauces. So yeah, look at the size of that carrot. He's gonna get the big carrot because I want him to feel better. I think I'm gonna give you a bag of Swiss chard as well. I'm gonna give him the smaller of the butternut squashes. Compliments of Garden State Growing on YouTube right now. So if you like this video, if you like the content that I share, hit that like button, smash it, hit that subscribe button, share this with your friends, your families, and if you want to get notified every time I put out a new video, make sure you ring that bell. Have a great evening. I love you, and I will see you on the next episode.